calling the Whirlpool Customer Experience Center. Let's begin. Which would you like? Say customer service or new products?
Customer service.
Please tell me which Whirlpool appliance you're calling about. For
Refrigerator.
example, did you purchase your refrigerator more than 12 months
No.
ago? Sorry, I don't think I heard you. Did you purchase your refrigerator more than 12 months ago? Please
No.
say yes or no. Okay, which would you like? Order parts or service repair?
What would it be? I'll plug your mic, plug it
I
back in.
missed that. You can say schedule service or order parts.
Repair.
Are you interested in learning about affordable service plan options to help you cover? Sorry, I didn't get that.
No.
If you'd like to speak to a representative to learn more about qualifying for a service plan, please say yes. Otherwise,
No.
say no.
No.
Please say or enter your 10-digit home phone number.
555-6987.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Tell me the phone number associated with your appliance registration, beginning with the area code. Please hold while your call is transferred.
I just typed in a random one.
Thank you for calling Whirlpool Factory Certified Care. An agent will be with you momentarily.
Your call may be monitored for quality purposes.
I really can't believe that the McDonald's person hung up on me. Yeah, that's what her name was. I asked her, was her name Luigi? And she was like, yes. And I was like, that's a great name. What? Did you say it gets really kinky? I love the kinky stuff. Especially if they're from like Iran or something. I seriously, I think that I convinced her I was Obama. Maybe. I was about to say the White House, bitch, but then I was afraid that she's gonna hang up. That's a little bit racist, don't you think? Oh wait, actually, yes, they should paint the White House the color of the president. In Obama's case, it's black. God, hate this music. What's a bar? A bear? Really? Finally.
Thanks for calling Whirlpool. This is Nancy. With whom am I speaking with?
My name is Sonny.
And Sunny, how can I help you today?
Alright. This is customer service, right?
It is.
Alright, can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Is your refrigerator running? Because mine's not.
Is it not?
No.
All as far as I know, when I left, it was running.
It's not running. It needs a new pair of legs. Can I buy some off you?
No,
Why?
because I don't sell the legs.
Can I have your legs?
No,
Put some sexy legs on my refrigerator.
no.
Oh man. Alright. But yeah, seriously, my refrigerator stopped running.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Um,
And Sunny, have you ever called us before?
yes.
You have. Okay, can I get your phone number?
Phone number? I don't really know because I don't
That's
have
the
a phone
account.
number.
Okay. I do need to create a file here if you've not ever called us before, so I can send out a serviceman for you.
I just ended it.